This is the HUK Lockpick Locksmith tool sets, as you can see. This is the case, it's plastic. The case does what it has to do, so and this is what's inside. And of course this set is for this kind of locks, these European style ones. Yeah, so you get one of these. I don't know why this is in the set. I guess it's kind of weird. And it looks very much like it has been filed down by hand or something. Very, very rough. Been thinned out. I guess they could have saved this. I have loads of these already, but now I have it, so. And you get one of these to hold the core while repinning, of course. This is a repinning kit, so, and I think this one it looks very similar. Of course you have to think about that these kind of locks has two cores. It has a locking mechanism in both sides, so it makes sense. And you get one of these to hold the pins in place while the core has been taken out. That will be mounted like this, without the core of course, to hold in the pins. And you get some followers. So I don't know how thick this is, but we can maybe hold these up together. You can see these two has cuts here. That's because when you have taken out the core and this is placed like this, you will still be able to put in the follower. It will slide in like this. I hope you can make that out on the video. So you can still get a follower in even though this is holding up the driver pins. So it's kind of rough. These are screws. But I guess you can use these followers for any lock that they fit into. So I think these are aluminium. Quite nice. A bit scratched I guess, but it doesn't really matter. It's still functional. So and you get this one. The main reason why I bought this set. This is to take off these circlips. Where did I put that lock here? These ones. I'm not going to take this one out because these HUK ones are very special. If you take these off, they are very, very hard to put back on because they just bend, they don't give. And I think usually you have to put in a new one. And you get these. These are actually also followers. You have 3 of them. So when you need to take out the core, it's hard to get a follower in if you don't have the other side out also. But you can take this part out. And then you can, maybe this one is too thick for this, but you can put this in and slide it in as a follower. And while it's in there, you will take the next one. Slide it in and you can push that in, and the same with the third one. So you have a normal follower just in 3 pieces. So I think it's a nice set. I don't take apart many of these Euro style locks, but I guess I should. So you can see what's inside when we pick them. I haven't picked this one, by the way, not yet. I haven't tried it though, but I don't think I'm capable yet, so we'll see one day. But I think this is definitely worth a buy just because of this. So yeah, nice set, and it's cheap. It's Chinese, so I guess the HUK brand is kind of known, even though most of what they do is fairly low quality. So when it breaks, you just buy something new. I can't believe this is so rough. I guess you would have to put sandpaper on this because you would cut yourself. Very, very rough. Maybe they intended it to be used as pliers to take out pins. I don't know. So I have dedicated pliers for that. So yeah, but nice set, cheap one. Even though maybe you don't need everything in the set, it's still worth a buy, I think. At least because of this, to remove circlips. So that's it. Have a nice day.